Hello and welcome to this summary video on how to use Noticia Go AI Review to extract facts and events from your documents. We have here a very small sample public data set which includes John Podesta in each document in some way. And what we're looking to do, as this is key to our hypothetical case, is to identify everything done or said by him represented in this evidence. So we have a simple prompt here which says extract all factual actions, statements, or involvement by this person listed in a single sentence, which is the format output we want. We essentially want a paragraph list of these events. And we want the person referred to as an acronym and this particular format. And this says do not speculate. It's always important to add a little bit of context just to make sure you're getting exactly the output that you want. So what we'll do to make sure we're getting the responses that we're happy with is we'll go ahead and we'll scan documents. And what that does is it sends that document content with our prompt, and we get this response back from the AI. So here we have a date, JP was CC'd and received an email. Here, if we look at this other event, he was emailed a draft agenda, he was considered to be traveling, he was emailed, and he was asked if he wanted to edit the agenda. So we're just getting a set of events here. This might be really helpful to have this level of detail. If we wanted to, we could fine tune this to just say things that he actually did rather than speculations about what he did, that kind of thing. We can go into a little bit more detail. If we're happy with this response and we want to save it, we can write it to this field, which we've labeled JP Facts, which is our response 1 down here. You can see that's saved directly into Nuix right away, so we can use that in searches, we can export it, we can simply use that in the rest of our review. If we're happy with our prompt and we're getting consistent results, we can now run this on the full data set using the bulk scanning feature. You can see I've got my 9 documents selected here. I'm going to select that same field, JP Facts, to write these values to, and I'll just go ahead and scan this whole list. So it's going to run the exact same prompt on each one of these individual documents, giving us that summary as we requested about each particular document, so we can have this available during our review in an export or production, or if we are to download the data from this list, we can pull this out and use the Excel version of this to manipulate it, to develop it into whatever else we might need. So this is the essential workflow for extracting facts related to a person. There's a lot you can do to be more creative or more refined. If you already know the types of facts you're looking for, you can list those out and go into more detail, but I will share this sample starting prompt here. Otherwise, good luck with your fact identification.